Winter may bring snow, ice, and gray skies, but that doesn't mean your home can't look its best. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to keep things fresh and inviting, winter curb appeal is a powerful way to make your property stand out. Start with the basics. Keep your driveway, walkways, and front steps clear of snow and ice. It's not just about safety, it's about showing that the home is cared for. Regular shoveling and salting also help create a clean, inviting look, even in stormy weather. Seasonal decor can work wonders. Try a winter-themed wreath, evergreen planters, or decorative lanterns. These small touches bring warmth and color to an otherwise muted landscape, helping your home feel more inviting from the street. With shorter days, lighting becomes more important than ever. Make sure your outdoor lights are working and well placed. Clean your fixtures, replace bulbs, and consider adding pathway lighting to guide visitors to your door and accent your home's best features. If your front door or trim is looking a bit dull, a fresh coat of paint can add an instant pop, even in the dead of winter. Keep your house numbers visible and the front porch clear and tidy. Swap out your doormat for a fresh seasonal version, and consider a bench or small winter arrangement to create a welcoming feeling. Take care of your roof and gutters. Not only does this prevent damage, but it improves the overall appearance of your home. Remove icicles, clear debris, and keep things looking maintained. At Blue Coast Realty, we also suggest taking listing photos during a fresh snowfall if you're thinking about selling. The contrast of bright white snow with tasteful outdoor accents makes a beautiful first impression. If you're hosting showings, considering adding warm lights or subtle seasonal scents to make your home feel cozy in the moment someone steps in. Winter doesn't have to be a season to hide your home. It's a season to highlight how well you maintain and care for it, even in the toughest weather. Whether you're preparing to sell or just want to boost your curb appeal, we're here to help. Reach out to Blue Coast Realty for personalized advice on selling or staging your Sarnia home this winter.